Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy this Zoo token, initial ZOOT, in Trust Wallet. Zoo token is a very new token coin. It's listed on this coinmarketcap.com today and already over 11 millions of transactions in a volume. Zoo token, initial ZOOT, is a token code based on the Ethereum network, and we can buy this token code using Uniswap version 2 and lots of other exchanges also. The graph look fairly good, but I'm not sure how much money can you really make from the graph that is already off by some percentage. As usual, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in the market. So let's have a look what exactly is the Zoo token is about. Zoo token finance. Actually, this is the kind of token that is going to be a finance exchange or interface to provide the exclusive real-time electronic chart for all these meme animal coins. For example, Dogecoin, Shiba coin, as a lots of other coins. So let's also have a look on this white paper. This look like a little bit funny, but this look like a Zoo token and Zoo prediction, Zoo index, Zoo pair, and Zoo NFT. So this seems like this is going to be the zoo of all these animal related token coin or meme coin such as Dogecoin, as Shiba and Papa coins. So this is going to be the zoo for them, I guess. Like I said again, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in the market. So without further ado, let me show you how to buy this Zoo token, initial ZOOT token coin, in Trust Wallet using Uniswap version 2. As usual, I say it again, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in the market. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like the video, share the video with others, and hit the notification bell icon so next time when I upload the new video like this, you will get notified. So as usual, you can see the Trust Wallet is in my right side of my screen, and the left side I'm going to perform all these activities on the Uniswap. So let's head to the uniswap.org and click to use it. So Zoo token also stated in their website that we can put the slippage tolerance of 3 to 4%. So I'm going to try to buy this one within minimum 3% of slippage or tolerance level to see if this one gonna go. So let's start by connecting the wallet. So I have a Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click in this wallet connect. You can click which wallet do you have on my Trust Wallet to the setting and to the wallet connect. And I can scan this QR code using my mobile phone. Then my mobile is asking me to connect this Uniswap interface. So I can click to connect and my Trust Wallet is connected to the Uniswap interface. As you can see, I have 0.01259 ETH in balance. So let's go to the coinmarketcap.com and copy the contract code for the Zoo token initial ZOOT. So once we copy the contract, we can head back to the Uniswap interface and click to the select token area and paste the contract code we copy from. Based on the contract, Uniswap is suggesting us the token coin. This is exactly the coin we are going to buy it. So I'm going to click import and click the import again. Now I like to buy this coin using maximum of the amount I have and leave some gas fee behind. So there is no liquidity provider found in this current version. So Uniswap is suggesting me to go to the version 2. Once I click, I can go to the version 2 and click to the swipe. The detail here are the similar detail that we have been seeing here. For example, what exactly the amount I'm going to receive it and how much it will cost, and the liquidity provider fee, price impact, and all this slippage tolerance and everything. By the way, the Zoo token has stated that we should try with the slippage level, the tolerance level of 3 to 4%. But this time I'm trying to buy with the 1% of slippage tolerance level. That is a price update. I can click to accept by accepting this one. So let's try to buy this coin with the 1% of slippage tolerance level. So there is an error saying that try increasing the slippage tolerance level. So it's look like this is a fixed kind of percentage. Maybe let's try with the 2% of slippage tolerance level. And I'm going to swipe it again with the 2% of slippage tolerance level. Okay, it looks like the minimum slippage tolerance level is 3%. So we have to put minimum of 3% of slippage tolerance level to get approved in the Uniswap and Ethereum network. So I have 3% now. Let's try with the 3% of slippage tolerance level. Yes, that is a price update again, and I'm going to click confirm. Yes, as expected, this is executed now. The transaction is executed now, but it is waiting for my confirmation on my Trust Wallet side. As you can also see, there is a huge difference in the price. The actual price of this coin is $4.52, whereas the network fee, Ethereum gas fee, is $21.55. In total, this is $26.08. I'm not going to buy this coin right now, but if you want to buy this coin, you can just click into the send button on your Trust Wallet. Once you click to send, there will be one more confirmation and you will receive your Zoo token initial ZOOT in your Trust Wallet. This is all in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video and share this video with the other. Until then, take care and see you.